for the Rosetta Commons run. So we sent it out, or RC run. So this is something that Sergey has been working on and Rachel and I have been helping him with. So the goal is to really making it easier to build these workflows and run them. So trying to take care of the mundane tasks like mounting directories, installing, making sure you're in the right environment or using the right container. So RC run will automatically install or build a container for the specific app that you are trying to run. So you don't have to do this manually. So right now, this is a table that we have of tools that we support through RC run right now. Rosetta, the score is scoring in Rosetta, PyRosetta, RFDiffusion, ProteinMPNN, LigandMPNN, and then Foundry, which would include RF3 and RFD3. And you can run these either with a Docker container or with Singularity app container or through native. So how would you do this after you install RC run? Then if, for example, if you wanted to score with Rosetta, you could just run RC run and Rosetta score with your inputs, or RC run Rosetta relax if you wanted to do a quick fast relax. So you wouldn't need to, it's really taking care of a lot of these like kind of boring steps that maybe you have to do before. Or this is an example for running RFDiffusion3. It would be RC run Foundry, RFD3, and then your typical arguments that you would provide.
Quick question, can you run any Rosetta executable or just score and relax? So which apps are supported?
Yes, I believe you can run any Rosetta executable. Yes, the Rosetta score is the scoring one is a specific one, but then the rest of them you can do, yeah, any executable. You can also choose how you want these to be installed. So by default, right now, it installs with Docker is how you would run them if you just RC run whatever tool you're trying to use. But you can specify if you'd rather use Singularity or set up with the native environment. So our next steps for this, we're currently working on adding OpenFold3, FreshMPNN, and ESMFold. But we really want your feedback, which is why we wanted to make this quick announcement. One, letting us know what other protocols you'd like to see or what other tools you'd like to see in RC run. And if you do try it out, let us know if there's problems you run into or if there's other like features or capabilities that you'd like to see in this. So feel free to open a GitHub issue, or there's also an RC run on the Rosetta Commons Slack. And I will post the link to the repository shortly in the chat.